Hello, hi, hello, hi, hello. I am putting moisturiser on my face because I'm a cool cat. Oh dear. This is me with no makeup on, with unbrushed hair, and a lot of writing on my arm. So, I have quit Youth for a Change. I don't think I even, told you about Youth for a Change. I was supposed to ages ago and I never did. Or unless I did, I can't remember. I quit it because it got, really serious. And those who know me, I'm not the most serious person. So yeah, it doesn't work. I don't know what my hair's doing. God. Ow! I hate having it here because my window's right behind it, but I like it because of the light. But basically, people can look at me through my window and I look like I'm just talking to my laptop. Which I am. It slides, oh my god. Okay. Someone just looked through my window and I just did that pose at the back of my room. Oh, cringe. I don't like it when people bully people on Formspring. I think no one does, but I don't. I mean, I realise that I don't really care when people bully me on Formspring because they don't really bully me because I don't care. So it's not even classed as bullying. But when they do it about me on someone else's Formspring, that annoys me. I got, well, I didn't. My friend Georgie, she was in one of my miraculously crazy videos. I think it was my last one I put up. It was like, I don't know why you hang around Mia. She's a Butters lesbian, but Nia and Louise are alright. What? Wait, rewind. Butters lesbian? Okay, fuck you. Bisexual and lesbians are two different things. Also, I don't like it when people butt in someone else's relationship over Formspring, or altogether, really. It's just like, hey, you don't know what I feel, so why are you judging me and just declaring it over Formspring or whatever, when I know who I am and I know what I'm doing? Fuck off. Basically, if we're in love, or if we like each other, then we're gonna carry on with that, aren't we? And this piece of hair is still flicking up. It's just, don't listen to them because you know how you feel, and isn't that what matters? No, if Bob over here thinks that you like someone else, well, Bob has a very annoying opinion then, doesn't he? I look really fat and frumpy. Frumpy. I laugh at myself, how sad am I? Look how rich I am, right? Lion King cup for the win, right? Full of sexiness. Basically 10p's. I've got a Pikachu money box. That's pretty cool, right? That's rad, isn't it? I'm retro. I look really retro with these glasses and the Pikachu money box. Taking a picture. I looked hot in that. Way. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a boggart in there. That sounded ridiculously pervy in my sexual voice. Come on, yes! She was. So they ran out of this. No, that's the wrong chord. They ran out of the station and jumped into a bus to get to the champagne to put on the body. You know why not? I have to go soon, and I haven't got any makeup on. I look really crap. Oh my god. I'm looking at my face in this little cam thing. That's really crap. But thanks for having a little one-to-one talk to me. I'm sorry I don't do it often anymore, but maybe I will now. I don't know. Year 10 starts on Thursday. Yay. Bye. Oh, sexy wall in the background, if you noticed. That made no sense.